Alright, good morning, guys. Welcome to my first vlog. Yeah, going to a concert today. Wiz Khalifa and Rae Sremmurd. OT Genesis is gonna be there. It's my first vlog. I need a name for you guys, for you subscribers, all 21 of you. But you know, let me get it up one day. You feel me? Got a couple names in mind, but just put down in the comments what you think it is. Yeah, I'm gonna shower and get dressed and leave in here a little bit. Yep. Alright, guys, so I was about to shower, but yeah, the grind don't stop. It don't stop. Yeah. You know, it's easy money. Got the victory royale. With my buddy Red, you know. Solid 5 kills, solid game, solid win. You know. Now it's time to get in the shower, you feel me? Get all fresh, you feel me? For this concert, gonna see some videos. Alright, so let me show y'all the hardest decision I ever make. Is what shoes to wear and which ones? Yeah, I'm gonna try something. I've only seen videos of it, but see this shirt right here? Watch, alright, watch. Whoa, it works. It's actually kind of easy vlogging on your phone. Ain't too bad. Oh. Hold up. Hey. Yeah, you gotta hype yourself up a little bit, you know? Dang. Alright, so I'm gonna share a secret with y'all. I can teleport. Watch this. All you gotta do is just jump. Just jump. Watch. What up, homie?
What's up, bro?
What up? You like that teleport?
Yeah.
Like that shit, though? Hell yeah, we lit. Alright, just a little bag secured. You know, we finna eat. He got the canes, got the Wendy's. Can't play this too long because I might get copyright. So, chop and eat a nigga like chowder. Suicidal doors, call that Kurt Cobain. Alright, guys, so we're back in the car on the way home. The phone actually died inside the venue, which sucks, but I did get some videos on my Snapchat. I think I got one in landscape, so it should look kind of different, but fuck it, I'm rolling anyways.
All my niggas team players. Trying to keep my team
vlog. Crazy night, fun night though. Had a good time. Wiz killed it, OT killed it. They all killed it. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. My first vlog, so I just try to play around with a little bit with the editing and stuff. So it might not be that good, but hope y'all liked it. So if you liked it, drop a like, comment, sub. I don't know, just support it. I'll catch y'all in the next one.